If you're experiencing a payment pending issue with Zelle in the Chase app, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check payment status. Log into your Chase app and navigate to the Zelle section. Look for the payment in question and check its status to confirm that it is indeed pending. Step 2. Verify recipient information. Ensure that the recipient's email address or phone number is entered correctly. A small mistake can lead to payment delays, so double-check the details. Step 3. Confirm your account settings. Make sure your Zelle account is properly set up within the Chase app. Check that your linked bank account is active and that there are no restrictions on your account. Step 4. Wait for processing. Sometimes payments may take a little longer to process due to banking hours or weekends. If the payment is still pending after a few hours, you may need to take further action. Step 5. Contact Chase support. If the payment remains pending for an extended period, reach out to Chase customer support. They can provide specific insights into the issue and help you resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to address any payment pending issues with Zelle in the Chase app effectively. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek assistance from your bank.